how to create a quick shadow on photopay.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now first of all, you have to select the layer on which you want to create a shadow. Now you have to select this layer, and now you have to control C, copy that layer, and then you have to control V, paste that layer. Now I have selected and copy pasted that layer. What I can do is that I can select the second one or the first one, and then I have to go on the edit panel, or I have to click it over here. I have to strip out background option, then I have to go on edit option, and then I have to click on transform. As I go to transform, then I have to click on distort option. As I click on distort option, I can now distort it wherever I want. Now you have to set it down to the right area that where you want to put the shadow of. Now I am distorting it and putting the shadow down to the right area. Now let's say this is my shadow. Now I have to click on the feather tool by going to effects panel and blending option, and over here I have the feather tool. Then I can also feather that or remove this or its opacity or whatever I want. Now over here, if I am not going to do it from here, then I have to go on filter, then I have to go on blur option, and then under the blur option I have the Gaussian blur option. I have to Gaussian blur it, and then I have to OK, and now you can see that the picture I have created, let me go to take it to black color, and my color is going to be black, so I'm going to take it to black color, and then OK, and now you will be able to see that my copy has a shadow down over there, and it's looking like a shadow, and now I am fully satisfied with the picture. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.